everybody guys, my name is Tim Bond and today we're in Niagara Falls. Over here, this is the Canada, and this is the States right across of the border. And I've been able to fly the drone over there and get some footage from the States part. Okay guys, we're Canadians and Canadians wearing the red one. Over there, it's the border of the States. And over there in the States, they're wearing the blue one. The trip cost like 40 bucks, totally worth it. Really awesome. This guy did a good job. Welcome back to Niagara Falls in the evening. And as you see, these LED panels pretty soon gonna light up this Niagara Falls, and we're gonna see different colors on it. Okay, those fireworks and all those lights, it's okay, not bad, but not really impressing. The only really saving the vibe, it's those guys.
Let me go. everywhere we go. May God we go